Hello everyone. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. This will be your first English lecture in Jharkhand GK MCQ series. Okay, we have a target to clear JSSC CGL 2020 examination. Okay, in this video series, we will cover more than 1000 plus MCQs. Okay, and this will be your demo video. Okay, and you can give your feedback in the comment section also. Let's start the MCQ. So your first question is, what does the word Jharkhand mean? So Jharkhand word is made up of two words. The first is Jhar and second one is Khand. Jhar means bushes and Khand means that is piece of land. So your correct answer will be region of bushes. Okay, so very important question. Questions already has been asked in various examination about the meaning of this word Jharkhand. So your correct answer will be region of bushes. Next question is, which among these is the capital of Jharkhand? Okay, you all know this answer of this question. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. So Ranchi has been established in the year 1899. So you have to write in the comment section that how many districts are there in Ranchi. Sorry, how many block are there in Ranchi districts? You can write in the comment section. And if we ask name the sub capital of Jharkhand. So you all know the sub capital of Jharkhand is Dumka, the very constituency of our CM Hemant Soren. Next is, in which part of India Jharkhand is located? So you know the position of Jharkhand. So in terms of India, Jharkhand is situated in the eastern region of vast plateau expanse of central India. So here vast plateau is referring to the peninsular plateau. Peninsular plateau. So peninsular plateau, the east side, Jharkhand is located, the very famous Chotanagpur plateau. Okay, so your correct answer will be D. Next question, what is the latitudinal stretch of Jharkhand? Latitudinal stretch. Let me draw a rough sketch of our globe. This is your globe, and this line is called equator, which divides the globe into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And this line is called Tropic of Cancer, and this line is called Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, and this is eastern hemisphere and this is western hemisphere. And you all know that India is located in the eastern hemisphere of this globe, of the earth, or you can say. Okay, so latitudinal strength and latitude and longitude, two other terms are there. So let me explain to you what is latitude and what is longitude. So this line you are seeing on your screen are called latitude. Okay, and this line that I am drawing here are called longitude. So question is asking about latitudinal stretch. That means this stage of Jharkhand map. So your correct answer will be 21 degree 58 minute 10 second to 25 degree 19 minute 15 second. This is the latitudinal stretch of Jharkhand state. So your correct answer will be, so here options are in between 21 degree 58 second. Yes, this will be your correct answer. Here complete figure is there, but exact I have told you very soon. Next is, what is the longitudinal stretch of Jharkhand? So I have made it clear to you that what is longitude and latitude. So longitude stretch of Jharkhand is 83 degree 19 minute and 50 second to 87 degree and 57 minute. Okay, so the correct answer will be C. In between 83 degree and 20 second to 87 degree 50 second of the eastern longitude. Eastern, that means this side Jharkhand is located. Next question is, which city in Jharkhand does the Tropic of Cancer passes through? You all know that in India, Tropic of Cancer passes through various states, and among these states, Jharkhand is one of them. So Jharkhand, so the Tropic of Cancer is passes through Jharkhand. Then obviously the districts of Jharkhand has the Tropic of Cancer from which this passes through? So your correct answer will be Ranchi. Next question, what is the minimum distance of Jharkhand from the sea? So you can know that the Bay of Bengal is the nearest sea of Jharkhand. So the nearest distance of Jharkhand from the sea is 90 kilometer, and to be roughly 90 kilometer, you can exactly to a correct places of 100 kilometer. Which two states are situated on the west of Jharkhand? So I can rough draw map of Jharkhand. Northern side you have Bihar, and the eastern side you have West Bengal. Southern side you have Odisha, and the western side you have uh, Chhattisgarh and UP. So west of Jharkhand. So west of Jharkhand you have UP and Chhattisgarh. C is the correct answer. Moreover, you all know that 10 districts of Jharkhand share border with Bihar, and 10 districts of Jharkhand share border with West Bengal, and 4 districts of Jharkhand share border with Chhattisgarh and Odisha, and one district, that is Garhwa, shares border with UP. So you remember this. Next question, what is the breadth of Jharkhand from eastern to western side? So basically this is asking the total distance between north to south and east to west. So east to west this is 463 kilometer, and north to south that is 380 kilometer total length. You have to remember it. Next question, what is the total area of Jharkhand? So the total area of Jharkhand is 79,714 kilometer. So this is the answer. Question has been asked already in this domain. So that's all for today. Thank you.